Be wary, demystified. Navigate English with confidence. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the English phrase, be wary. It's a simple yet powerful expression, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Before we dive into the phrase as a whole, let's understand its individual components. Be. This is a verb that's often used to describe a state or condition. Wary. An adjective that means being cautious or careful, especially when there's a possibility of danger or problems. So, when combined, be wary simply means be cautious or be alert. Now that we know the literal meaning, let's see how be wary can be used in different contexts. 1. Potential dangers. Be wary of the wet floor. You might slip. 2. Deceptive individuals. Be wary of strangers offering you deals that seem too good to be true. 3. Decision making. Before investing your money, be wary and do your research. Understanding synonyms can help reinforce the meaning of be wary. Here are some similar expressions. Be careful. Watch out. Be on your guard. Tread carefully. While be wary is straightforward, there are common mistakes learners sometimes make. 1. Mispronunciation. Even though wary and weary sound similar, they have different meanings. Weary means feeling tired. 2. Misuse in context. Remember, be wary often implies a potential danger or deception. Don't use it for ordinary, everyday situations. Alright, learners, now you have a deeper understanding of the phrase, be wary. Remember, it's all about being cautious and alert. We hope this video helps you navigate the English language with even more confidence. Until next time, happy learning!